Hello, dear viewers. Today, immerse yourself in the enchantment of the art of paper folding as we embark on a journey to discover how an ordinary sheet of paper can transform into a magnificent Pegasus. Throughout this video, we'll unravel the secrets behind the magic as we systematically assemble this paper creature. The transformation of paper in this intricate process not only serves as a hobby, but also delves into the depths of origami as a form of expression. From traditional Japanese origami techniques to contemporary folding methods, we will explore the evolution of paper folding, uncovering the cultural context in which this art form thrives. Furthermore, delving into how this art form has been utilized throughout history and how it has evolved across different cultures will help us understand that paper folding is not merely an artistic expression, but also a cultural heritage. Examining how the forms created through folding have changed over time will reveal the fascinating journey of paper folding from the past to the present. However, to grasp all this information and to discover how the legendary Pegasus comes to life, subscribe now, turn on notifications, and join me on this paper adventure. I am eagerly anticipating exploring how an ordinary piece of paper can magically transform into a mythical creature. Our card. Once not shorao. In this video, we'll immerse ourselves in the captivating world of Pegasus. Pegasus emerges as a mythical being in Greek mythology. Let's explore together the origin, mythological history, and meanings of this magnificent creature. Combining the legendary story of Pegasus with paper modeling art can be a fantastic way to merge your creativity and manual skills. While origami is traditionally known as the art of paper folding, the paper model version of Pegasus involves a more intricate and detailed approach incorporating folding and cutting techniques. How to make a Pegasus paper model. Prepare the materials, gather colored paper, scissors, glue, and perhaps a ruler. Acquire the Pegasus template. Obtain a Pegasus paper model template, which you can find online or in art supply stores. Cut and fold the paper. Cut and fold your paper to create the anatomical details of Pegasus. Pay attention to details to define wings, legs, and other features. Mind the folds. Similar to origami, shape the paper using correct folding techniques. Focus on details to capture the graceful form of Pegasus. Assemble the pieces. Bring together the cut and folded pieces to form the basic outline of Pegasus. Use glue to join the pieces. Emphasize Pegasus's characteristic features by adding eyes, tail, and other details. Personalize with touches. Use your freedom in color choices and detail arrangement to personalize your paper model. Pegasus paper model and the power of art. The Pegasus paper model art serves not only to create a mythical being, but also as a way to express your creativity and experience the power of art. A detailed and unique Pegasus paper model not only provides a visual spectacle, but also offers an opportunity to explore the intricacies of paper folding art. This piece of art not only showcases your admiration for mythology, but also serves as a delightful way to enhance your manual skills and artistic understanding. Engaging in a Pegasus paper model project allows you to both create a legendary creature and immerse yourself in the magic of paper folding art, providing a satisfying and enjoyable experience. Pegasus is a mythical creature belonging to the enchanting world of ancient Greek mythology. This winged horse, born from the blood of Gorgon Medusa, plays a significant role in the depths of mythological stories. The history of Pegasus dates back to the ancient Greek period, and the tale of this magical creature is at the heart of mythological narratives. According to Greek mythology, the birth of Pegasus occurs after the hero Perseus slays Medusa. Created from the blood of Medusa, Pegasus appears in many mythological stories and artworks. In the mythological history of Pegasus, this magnificent winged horse is regarded as a symbol of freedom, beauty, and grace. In ancient Greece, the story of Pegasus is found in some of the works of Homer. The narrative involves Pegasus being sent by Zeus to aid the hero Perseus. The emergence of Pegasus as a miraculous being born from the blood of Medusa is one of the extraordinary elements central to mythological storytelling. Pegasus is also associated with the story of Bellerophon. Bellerophon attempts to defeat the Chimera, a fire-breathing monster, while riding Pegasus. This tale emphasizes the meanings of heroism, courage, and the struggles of humanity associated with Pegasus. Throughout its mythological history, Pegasus has been a significant figure in Greek culture and art. Depictions of Pegasus can be found in various artworks, ranging from ancient Greek vases to temple decorations, sculptures, and paintings. The symbolism of Pegasus carries deep meanings, including the pursuit of freedom, creativity, and imagination. Over the centuries, the figure of Pegasus has reappeared in different cultures and eras. During the Renaissance period, Pegasus became an inspiration for artists and thinkers, associated with nobility and beauty. In its mythological history and subsequent interactions, Pegasus symbolizes humanity's dreams, desires, and struggles. Even today, the story of Pegasus continues to live in literature, art, and popular culture. Throughout its mythological history, Pegasus continues to nourish humanity's imagination and creativity, with its beauty-filled wings pushing the boundaries of freedom and imagination. Hello, dear viewers. Today we embarked on an incredible journey by combining the legendary story of Pegasus with the magic of paper modeling art. I hope this video has not only fueled your fascination with mythology, but also nurtured your creativity. Exploring the history of Pegasus, merging it with paper modeling art, and focusing on the details of this magical creature was truly exciting. Remember, art not only creates beauty, but also symbolizes freedom, imagination, and creativity. If you enjoyed this video and the paper model version of Pegasus, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm thrilled to be here to engage in creative projects together. Wishing you healthy and happy days and looking forward to being together in new adventures, art projects, and intriguing topics. Until the next video, take care and see you soon.